Welcome to the PipeManProducts.com work series videos. Today we're going to discuss how to use an OD tape, otherwise known as outside diameter tape or pi tape. What we have here is a 2-inch copper pipe. And as you can see, it's pretty easy to measure when the end is open. It's 2 1/8 inch, which is what copper pipe is, 2.125, or designated on a OD chart, 2.13. So we're going to discuss today how to use properly an OD tape to measure pipe. Copper pipe 2-inch is 2.13. Steel pipe is 2.38. If you're measuring between 1 1/4 and 1 1/2 inch copper pipe, you're going, I wonder which one that is. Well, it's important to know because a pipe fitting, hot tap saddle, or repair clamp has to usually fit exactly. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to measure around for you so you can see. By taking the OD, we're going to measure right here. So you can see we start at the line. It measures 2, 10, 211, 212, 213. So as you can see, if you had a 6-inch copper pipe at 6.13 or steel pipe 6.63, it'd be easy to designate so you get the right proper fitting. OD tapes come in several different styles. Here we have the Power Seal 36-inch, which is 120 inches long, can measure up to 36-inch pipe. It has inches on one side and pipe OD in 1/100 of an inch. Nice heavy-duty steel unit, about 1 3/4 by 1 3/4 inches. Here's our most popular, the 24-inch, which is 78 inches or can measure up to 24-inch pipe. Has an auto locking feature, auto retracting, as both do, and a keychain capability. These both can be ordered with your own logo on them. The Power Seal 36-inch comes with inches on one side and OD on the other, or you can get inches and metric by 1/10 on the other. This has 4 measurements. Well, there you have it, how to measure pipe OD with a pipe OD kit tool that's important to have in your toolbox. Available at www.pipemanproducts.com.